What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another install. Today we are installing new rear reflector lights on the car. If you've seen my exhaust tip video, I was supposed to get these reflectors with those exhaust tips right there, but I ended up not getting them because XGen forgot to pack it into the packaging. I contacted them and then they sent out some new ones, or the ones I ordered, and these are the ones that says a cord at the end of it. And you know, it also has like the amber turn signal, because these ones are red, so I'm going to show you right now. You can see the reflector light is red, and it's only red. It's red while braking, turn signal, and obviously on daytime running light it's also red. So I'm going to change those out today for these ones right here. I used to have those on the car like about a year ago, but I ended up they ended up getting messed up because I left the wires hanging and then water hit it and it got corroded. So I'm just gonna take these out and put these in. I'm gonna show you how to take it out without having to remove the entire rear bumper. All right guys, so first we're gonna start doing is removing the screws from the wheel well. So we're gonna remove 1, 2, and there's another one up here, like right here. We're gonna take those 3 screws out, and after that we're gonna head to the trunk. So let's remove these first. Okay, after you guys remove the screws from each side of the wheel well for the bumper, you're gonna now open your trunk and we're gonna remove the tail lights. After you get that removed, then we're gonna take the 2 screws out holding the tail light. After you do that, now we're gonna push the tail light out that way. Depending on which side, if you're on that side, you can pull out that way. On this side, you can pull out this way. Now that we have the tail light all apart, we're gonna take off this rear bumper. Before we do that, we're actually gonna take out that one screw right here. I forgot to take that out, make it easier. Now that we got the bumper off, we're gonna take off the 3 screws over there. There is 3 screws holding it on. There's one, there's another one over there. You can't see, it's up there. It's a little blurry. And there's actually another one back there somewhere. You're just gonna take those 3 screws out. So I'll get back to you when I do that. After you guys take off all the screws, you're just gonna pop this out. Now we're gonna take our new one and put it in. taillight back together. So if you watched my diffuser video, if you have a rear diffuser, you gotta make sure you follow this sequence. This only pertains to if you have a diffuser with the reflector lights. If it's just the reflector lights and the tail lights with no diffuser light, then you could just plug everything in and it will work. But if you have a diffuser, then follow this step. This only pertains to you if you have a diffuser. So first we're gonna take our diffuser light, plug it into the tail light harness, a car harness for the tail light. Then we're gonna take the other end and plug it into our diffuser. And then you're gonna plug this into your tail light, and then the diffuser should function as normal. If you got this sequence wrong, your reflector light won't work. And you could just tell because when you turn it on, the reflector light obviously won't come on. And if that happens, just make sure just follow this step right here, and then it should work for you. Now, if you did everything correctly, your reflector light should work. As you can see, it works. So now I'm going to press the brakes and make sure that it all works with the animation. So yeah, that'll be it for this installation of these reflectors right here. If you guys do want any of these parts, either the exhaust finisher, the diffuser, the reflector lights, tail lights, whatever it is, shoot me a comment or hit me on Instagram and I'll send you all the links that you will need. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.